Today, we are going to draw a cute Halloween ghost. Step 1. Let's draw a long rainbow shape for the body. Now, let's close the bottom with a wavy line. Draw 2 tiny dots for the eyes and a cute smile. Let's give our Halloween ghost 2 arms, one on the left and one on the right. Draw a round pumpkin basket between the hands. Inside the basket, draw tiny triangles for eyes and a nose. Color them in black. Lastly, draw 2 little feet at the bottom. Good job! Now we are ready to color. Please subscribe for more fun drawings.